Sanju, Riya is not here, na?
Why? What happened?
I have something important to tell you.
Yes, tell me.
I'm pregnant.
What? You get pregnant before marriage?
Yes, now tell me what to do with this child.
What to do? You go and talk to the person whose child is this.
Sanju, you are saying as if I have 4 or 5 boyfriends. I have only one boyfriend and that is you.
Don't play with me. You do one thing. Just get it aborted.
What? Again abortion? No, I already had 2 abortions, but not anymore.
What, Saurabh? You have had abortion twice before. What are you doing, man? You do one thing. You talk to Riya. She'll definitely give a solution. And you should talk to your boyfriend.
Sanju, you are talking as if you don't know anything. When I had my last 2 abortions, no, you went with me to the hospital. And I don't understand one thing. A woman who can give you a child, you don't want to live with her, you don't want to marry her. And someone who cannot give you a child, you are living with her.
Shut up. It's enough, man. You are Riya's friend, otherwise...
Or else what? When you were flirting with me, don't you know I'm Riya's friend? And when you were in love with me, don't you know that time? Look, Sanju, enough of this. Now you just tell me what I have to do and how we will live.
What do you mean by how we will live?
Means this, I will give birth to this child. If God is giving me a child, I will raise him. I hope it doesn't happen in future that I become like your wife Riya. I'm not able to have children.
I'll not listen to anything about Riya.
Really? When you yourself talk about her, what about that? I don't feel like going home. Riya cannot give me a child. I don't feel peace at home. I am with her only because she is earning. Otherwise, I would have left her long ago.
Just stop it.
No, I'm not going to stay quiet anymore. I want a home of my own. You should quickly divorce Riya and marry me. You have 2 days with you. Think about it, what you have to do. Two of my closest people. And both of them betrayed me.
No, Riya, she was just joking. She was saying nonsense.
Yes, I was just doing a prank, yeah, trust me. Where is the camera? A camera? I don't install camera. I just came for fun. I am feeling like slapping you really hard. You are my childhood friend and what did you do? You broke my relation along with my husband. Look, Riya, I forbidden Sanju, but he didn't listen. Wow, he doesn't agree, then you agreed? You didn't even think about me once that how would I feel when I would know all this? How much it will hurt me. And you? What I didn't do for you? For this relation. I didn't even let you work so that you could stay at home and be happy.
Riya, I'm happy
If
with
you
you.
were happy with me, you wouldn't have gone along with her, Sanju. Riya, see, in this it's not my fault. All is your husband's fault. He told me that I will divorce Riya and marry you. You want to marry her, na?
No. I don't want to marry her. I love you and will be with you forever.
What? So you are cheating on me? How will I live and raise this child alone?
How do I know that? How will you raise the child? You should get it aborted. Why do you want to give birth to it?
You saw it. What kind of person have you trusted? In such a situation, he is ready to leave you alone. He is leaving me, but I won't leave him. I will file a case against him and will send him behind the bars.
Jail?
I don't know about jail. But from here, you are leaving this home for sure. Whether you give me a divorce or not, I will give you a divorce.
No, Riya, why are you doing this? I want to be with...
I don't want to stay with you. Get lost from my home, both of you. I said, get lost!